Okay, if you're a beginning guitar player and you're struggling with the F chord, let me solve that problem for you right now. Okay, if you're a brand new beginner to guitar, this is the first F chord you should play. Okay, put your first finger on the second string, put your next finger on the third string, and then reach across for the fourth string. Just look at that chart that's on the screen there. This chord is called actually F major 7. Okay, you strum 4 strings and the first string is open, so it sounds like this. It's not a pure F chord, it's an F major 7. It's kind of a jazzy chord, but if you're a beginner, that's where you start. Don't listen to anyone else saying, oh, you must do this complicated bars right away. Don't do that. Learn this one first. Okay, now, the second level of the F chord is this. Okay, keep that same chord, right? Hold it there. Now, what I want you to do is take your first finger and tip it over to the side, and I want you to do what we call a bar on the first string. So now you're holding 2 strings under your first finger, okay? Strum 4 strings as well. It sounds like this. Okay, now that is a pure F chord. All right, that's the F chord you always see in these charts. It always makes beginners cry when they see that because that bar is so hard in the beginning, okay? That's the second level, okay? Just fight for it, okay? Just get your finger on the side and strum that, okay? So that's the second level of the F chord. This is the one you want to fight for. Spend a week on it. Spend a couple of weeks playing this F chord before you continue, okay? Okay, the third F chord that I think everybody should do is this one, okay? Let's put our first finger on the second string, our second finger on the third string, same spot as before. Now reach across for the 5th string, 3rd fret. And now put your pinky on the 4th string, 3rd fret, okay? Now, I want you, if you can, by this time, if you're working on this chord, this should be all right with you, go ahead and tip that finger over again and bar down on 1, okay? Now play 5 strings this time. Okay, that's a great F chord, pretty common. I'll be honest, more often than not, when you see great players play this chord, they don't even bother with the bar. They just mute the first string, so it sounds like this. Right, the first string's not even there. So that's totally cool. Lots of people do that. Okay, but if you want to, just go and tip that bar over, all right? Okay, the final F chord, and this is the chord I call Monster F when I'm teaching. Monster F is the pure F chord that you need to eventually evolve into. Keep everything you've got there. Keep the same shape there. But now you do want to reach that first finger across to the 6th string, a full bar chord, and you strum 6 strings. Okay? That's the F chord that you eventually need to grow into. But don't worry, okay? So you're going to go like this first, do this for a week or so. Okay? Do this for a week or so. Okay, do this for a week or so, and then eventually graduate yourself to the full bar F chord. Okay, I hope this video helped. If it did, I would love if you would like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.